Hello, good day to everyone. Welcome to our Capstone Project 1 Final Defense presentations. Let me introduce myself. I'm Architect Ehllan and I'll be your presenter on this day. I'm here today to present our product system. We called it Pearl-O Unified Portfolio Management System. On behalf of Team SAUQAR, led by Engineer Mike Lucero, Architect Renato Lat, and Architect Ehllan Ibarra. The Philippine trends and forecasts by sectors for the construction industry are mostly commercial, industrial, institutional, residential in this year and the upcoming years. The Pearl-O UPMS main goal is to provide an exceptional system that fits the client's project, which is practiced at the higher level than project management and focuses on strategy across multiple projects, not just executing a single project. The objective is to make user-friendly, more efficient, and competitive. Continuous improvement of the systems allow us to expound on the possibility of improvement of the system so that it can adapt to the nature of construction industry in the Philippines. Innovating the existing ASGAR Portfolio Management System or APMS can be eased various construction management challenges. The problem being solved, the team has identified various construction management challenges in traditional and web-based project portfolio management. These challenges can be addressed through the innovations of the present Portfolio Management System or APMS. Our projects are web-based tools that solve the difficulties listed. ASGAR Portfolio Management System or APMS has addressed the issue of the delay in project payment, and which is represented as a pain point or bottlenecks in the diagram, by providing notification and documentation workflow that is visible to all parties involved. All the problems and comments regarding payments and transparency can be rectified immediately. Thus, innovating the ASGAR Portfolio Management System or APMS is the primary way to address the current issue found, such as formula and retention calculation, rounding off, limitation of uploading page, a common folder of contractor and consultant, linked to the security accuracy issue of client's review, and no offline accessibility. The Pearl-O for Unified Portfolio Management System will address all the identified pain points and includes new features like comments and response sheet and conference calls to make the system more user-friendly. The current solutions to the problem that had been raised are listed. In general, we need to address the downside and limitation of the current PPM program and add new features to improve the flow of the project payment and variations orders. SAP o ERP or Enterprise Resources Planning. It is the leading web-based modular software in the Philippines market, followed by Oracle Primavera and Oracle Primavera Unifier. These are the existing PMS in the market. SAP o ERP or Oracle Primavera are comprehensive, and most of the features will not be used if the company is focusing on the construction industries only, which is costly. The APMS is an Oracle Primavera application tailored to suit the construction industry. It is designed to manage the project portfolio, but it has a lot of downside and limitations such as formulas, table, and lack of features. In the research indicate that the 70% of the Philippines construction industry use the SAP o ERP and the other system is around 28%. The target audience for this practitioner survey was project management staff employed by the construction companies. Individual contact emails are used to send the survey. To validate the identified problem, we gathered different insights from the engineers. The first is Engineer Tom, a quantity surveyor who works in the Public Work Authority in Qatar. He represents the client side as QS in the commercial department. The next is Engineer Wilson, a quantity surveyor with DG Jones Partners. And the last is Engineer Jomar. He also a quantity surveyor working at Boom Construction Industry. According to the respondent, here are the following problem insight. Mostly prepared an online system instead of conventional system. It offered time and cost saving, and it also contributed to the advocacy of sustainable construction method. Extra feature, some of our respondents advised that the comment response sheet be added as an extra feature if given an option of using more friendly portfolio management system. Chaotic document filing. Fixing this will give ease the commercial team. It is worth fixing since the person who updates the quantities from drawing and make new prices may refer to the superseded drawing that may find. It will also lead to the mistake if the project has chaotic file documentation. Manual calculation uploading. Some of the respondent pain in uploading the interim payment application is doing the manual calculation because some of the sections are not auto-generated, especially the retention calculations of the current portfolio management system. Limitation of upload. Breaking the file into several PDF files is ideal, especially if the files are project invoice and cost impact analysis, where every attachment is significant, and if the uploader or downloader of file miss one of them, since it's broken into several parts, it may lose the backup of the project invoice and cost impact analysis. The completeness of the file is essential and may bring problem in the commercial team. Any missing file cause rejection of the interim payment application and cost impact analysis to claim or cite instructions. Our solution is a Pearl-O unified portfolio management system that helps clients, consultants, and contractors who want to manage and control the project lifecycle by reducing the system complexity that delay the result and discrepancy data that enabling a standalone system that is accessible to project data, report, and financial monitoring, unlike the existing portfolio management system or enterprise resources planning on the market locally and internationally. It will be an internet-based system with offline access and synchronized capability for when an internet connection is lost. It will compete to the market current portfolio management system. We have included most of the latest PMS capability, deleted other that contractor would not find helpful, and added new feature unlike online meeting, site instruction information, and comments and response, and etc. Based on the interviewee research, survey, and insight, these are the following solutions. Innovation PMS, the Pearl-O Unified Portfolio Management System in the Philippines construction industry, is an online-based system that will be a tool to make submissions, review, approve invoice, claim, and variation order to flow faster, easier, and more convenient for everyone involved in the commercial team of the contractor, consultant, and client in the Philippine construction industry. Synchronized files. In the Pearl-O Unified Portfolio Management System, the folder is pre-arranged and your upload will automatically go to the folder where it is designated. Simplify the formula. The Pearl-O Unified Portfolio Management System features an enhanced formula so that uploading will be easy for the contractor and checking and approving consultant and client side. Cloud-based and extend capacity uploading. The Pearl-O Unified Portfolio Management System will have higher capacity uploading, not be limited to 500 pages to avoid breaking the PDF file into several parts. Systematic filing. In the Pearl-O Unified Portfolio Management System, the contractor and consultant document have their own folder to avoid any mistake in referring to documents. Additional feature. The Pearl-O Unified Portfolio Management System will have additional feature that will download the documents as local file and synchronize whenever alter update. This is the interface of Pearl-O Unified Portfolio Management. On the left is the website home interface, and on the right is the application interface. After purchasing the system, the following diagram show how to register on the system. Process 1. The client create a project, give the consultant and contractor access. The consultant and contractor submit key personnel that will use the system. After the first process, it will proceed to process 2. The client will review the approved key personnel submitted. The key personnel approve user to fill up the UPMS create account form from the client. The clients to create account from the submitted form, and the approved user will receive notification and email on guidelines and login details. On the left side is the login interface of the website, and the right side is the sample account form. Sample interface of home of Pearl-O web-based and the application. Another interface of Pearl-O. On the left is the construction interface, and on the right is the application file folder interface. After showing the prototype and how it functions, we will go to our persona to validate our solution. These are the following insights. Having a Pearl-O UPMS in the Philippines construction industry will be beneficial to all parties involved. It will be save time and resources. It minimizes the carbon footprint as well as our environment. Improving formula of the current APMS will enhance the quality of submissions. Additional features will make the system user-friendly, more efficient, and competitive. It provides a guarantee of most of the submissions are accurate. For our market, we focus on the Philippines market using the TAM Samsung as a tools to identify the target clients and users for this innovative system. Our TAM, or Total Addressable Market, is a private real estate developer and government agency around the country. This strategy can serve as the baseline of our prospective clients for an innovative portfolio management system that will introduce and distribute in the country. After determining our baseline, our sum turned down into 92 private real estate developers in the country, most in residential and condominium projects that are located in NCR, National Capital Region, Calabarzon, and Region 1. Our serviceable and obtainable market of SOM is dropping to 16.3% or 15 real estate developers, mostly involved in residential, condominium, and NCR and Calabarzon. By achieving a 16.3% target in 5 years, it's segmented by 3 clients yearly until its 5th year. In the first year, it obtained the 3 clients. In the second year, it acquired 6 clients, and so forth until it reached 15 clients. The team will have total investment capital of 1.5 million pesos from 3 clients, which will be fund product development, startup, advertising, and operational costs. The projected sale will be 3 clients each year until the 5th year, which is monthly subscription of $250 per month. At the conclusion of the 5th year, the firm is expected to have 14.4% return of investment capital. The company's product development strategy starts for 1 month in the pre-design stage to develop an idea to innovate a solutions for the system, develop analysis study about the system solutions, and identify equipment and tools. In the second month, the team focused on the system design, finalizing the entire output of the system, including the onboard software programmer on the team, website design, website wireframe, and a standalone portfolio management system. In the 3rd to 6 months projection, the company will adapt software development to a website prototype system, including the system features for the client, consultant, and contractor, additional fee system, user interface, user-friendly system, cloud-based system, and conducted system testing. On the 7th month, testing and validations for the 1 month identified 15 users, 5 for client, 5 for consultant, and 5 for contractor. Testing and validation parameter, testing and validation executions, and consolidation data report. The system enhancements for the 8 months are designated to improve the system based on the feedback collected data, retest and revalidate, gather additional feedback for the other system use. There was a final system enhancement, and enhanced versions of the system, and retesting and revalidations. The Pearl-O work plan will be broken down into 5 parts. The pre-design phase taking the place in the 1st month. This phase involved conceptualization, analysis, study, and equipment acquisitions. The overall system designs, website design, and wireframes and standalone portfolio management system are all planned to be completed by the end of the 2nd month. From the 3rd month to the 6th, software development will take place. The team will produce website prototype, update any outdated functionality, add new proposed feature, and system test. In the 7th month, known as the testing and validation phase, the team will conduct real tests and compile the data produced. The 8 months will be about improving and retesting and revalidating. In the 6th year, when the Pearl-O established a solid reputation in the National Capital Region or NCR and Calabarzon, it produced anticipated income and dramatically increased the company market value. The Pearl-O application will soon to introduce to the other region and country and government agency like DPWH, NHA, etc. to have a competitive edge in the Philippines construction industry. For our budget to develop and succeed in this innovative prototype system, the following are required. 1 software programmer for 5 months, 175,000 pesos. 1 website auto-rating tools, 100,000 pesos for 5 months payment. Software and cloud subscription expenses, 160,000 pesos. Communication expenses including internet and mobile and load, 25,000 pesos. Office supplies for 8 months, 40,000 pesos. 1 desktop computer, 60,000 pesos. 1 laptop, 75,000 pesos. And administrative expenses, 65,000 pesos, with a total of 700,000 pesos. These are the Team SAUQAR, led by Engineer Michael Lucero, Architect Renato Lat, and Architect Ehllan Ibarra. We express our deep and sincere gratitude to our advisor for guiding and helping us. We are incredibly grateful to our family for their love and prayer and support. Once again, thank you.